What are the best digital products to sell in 2024? How do you get started? And how is the best way to sell them? This is what we're going to find out in the next couple of minutes. If you don't know who I am, my name's Ali, the content coach. Hello, welcome. I'm the founder of digitalproducts and numerous businesses and brands, notably in the digital marketing and the e-learning and e-com niches. So I've been creating myself digital products for over 15 years. Some of them have been award-winning and sold on some of the biggest platforms, along with selling them here in my own businesses, on my blogs, and in my various other different distribution centers. The best digital products that you can create are the ones that you're going to be able to sell. Okay? The best digital products that sell are the ones that are not like everybody else's, surprise, surprise, but it's astonishing how many people actually just create the same as what else is out there in the marketplace. This is not the way to create and sell digital products, because I guess you want to sell digital products because you want to make an online living, you want to use it to increase your income or even add an extra income stream to what you're already doing. Digital products can be so many things, and here on digitalproducts there are a lot of blogs about it, but notably in my Digitalpreneurs course, which you're seeing featured on this page, you have a whole host of templates, different niches, lots of digital product ideas, lots of tutorials and lots of training from me in this super affordable course. I mean, really, I could charge a lot more than what I'm charging for this, but I want to help everybody get started. So when it comes to creating a really good digital product, you do need something that is professional, that looks professional, that is easy to use, and that solves a problem and is also quite niched. So in the past, I have created things for adult education, teaching online, teaching English, teaching French, children's education, marketing material, all sorts of digital templates for moving abroad, and all sorts of other things in between. Digital products can be digital templates, ebooks, masterclasses, video courses, cheat sheets, and a lot more. But the best place to get started is really in the research, and the research is a major part of what I teach in Digitalpreneurs Online. Honestly, from the Digitalpreneur course, you could create a massive reoccurring business. I'm not going to call it passive because, well, it's passive in a sense that once you've created the digital product, it does sell it again and again and again. But it's the marketing of digital products. Digital products is a very competitive industry now. So being able to create a good digital product is not enough. You need to know how to sell it. So in Digitalpreneurs Online, I show you two main ways to sell it. One being direct to your customer using TikTok, and the other one is completely faceless, so using Pinterest and not having to be in front of the camera, because some people like doing it, being in front of the camera, and some people don't. So that's really all I wanted to share with you today. I hope it's useful information, and I hope really if you're serious about making an income online, you go about it the right way and consider taking Digitalpreneurs Online, which is an amazing course. You get access to my TikTokpreneur Academy, you get access to my Pinterest Academy, and you get a whole load of templates that you can edit yourself, but brand yourself specifically for your niche. So you can literally be up and running in a few hours. And I even give you a clone of one of my digital product stores and also show you how to edit it and adapt it to make it yours. So there we go. Have a lovely day and happy digital producting.